Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking in the numbers you will trade with. First, confirm your usable balance and factor in any open orders so you don't overcommit. Next, choose a risk percent, commonly 1/2 to 2%, and convert that to a dollar risk per trade. Then calculate position size, divide your dollar risk by the distance between entry and stop. Once done, use Bybit's position size tool or a simple calculator to enter the exact contract amount before placing orders. Now you configure execution details to protect capital. Use conservative leverage relative to volatility. Higher leverage magnifies both gains and losses, so make sure your leverage aligns with your stop distance. Place your stop loss as a committed order before entering the position and set take profit levels to lock gains. Consider a trailing stop to capture momentum while enforcing discipline. Once your orders are active, monitor funding rates and mark price exposure. Adjust stops or reduce size if market moves against you. Finish each trade by executing your exit plan and logging what happened. If targets are hit, scale out or close to preserve gains. If stopped, accept the loss and move on. Then review your trade journal to refine position sizing, stop placement, and timeframe choices. If things go wrong and you face imminent liquidation, act quickly. Reduce position size, move to a safer leverage, or close manually. Make sure to adjust future risk percentages so the same mistake won't repeat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.